Okay, now welcome to the next section, which is the social KBC. Okay, with all respects to Amitabh ji. Okay, just prefix social so that there's no copyright issue here. I think Kiranmai, you can tell them that this is a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire format. You've seen the game. You've seen in UK. You have this game. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Yeah, the same format which you have in India. I call it Kaun Banega Crorepati. Of course, we don't have crores here, but do have some good goodies and vouchers. Okay, thanks UK community. Okay. KCC 35th edition. 35th edition of KCC, by the way. 35 editions we've had so far. So welcome you to the KBC. And okay, so I am supposed to be Amitabh ji. Okay, so Deviyo Sachino, IE Kaun Banega Crorepati ke liye. So let me use that same thing here. And I'll have who's going to be Kotur Karthik? You want to be the computer ji, or you want to participate? Okay, Ganesh, can you just switch chairs? Say, I have Karthik as my computer G. Okay, so I think you all know the KBC format, right? You have seen the show on where Amitabh conducts this. So can you go to the next slide, please? Okay, so this is the format of the quiz. Okay, so we're going to have a the hot seat contestant is going to come here based on the faster fingers contest. So do you all have mobile phones? Most of you? You can switch on that mobile phone, because that's essential for the faster fingers contest. So if you don't have a mobile phone, I can give one to somebody. Or maybe we can pass chits and then you can quickly come and give me the answer. If you don't have, okay. Yeah. No, it has to, Divakar, I put your number in the thing. So, okay, so for each contestant, you're going to have 5 questions, okay, and 3 lifelines. And you'll get a prize from 3rd question onwards. If you get it right, 3rd question 1 prize, 4th question 1 prize, and if you get all 5 in grand prize. And game ends if you give the wrong answer. Fine. So when you come here, 5 questions for you and 3 lifelines. You see lifelines. So 3 lifelines. One is audience poll, obviously. So you can ask the audience to raise their hands and then give you the answer. And second is you can ask a friend here. But that person can be asked only once by one person. Suppose, like, if Divakar comes here and asks Lakshman, so nobody else can ask Lakshman. He's out. Okay. And third is double dip. You can take 2 guesses. Okay. Those are 3 lifelines. Okay. So that's the format. Go to the next slide. Okay. For the hot seat 1, shall we start? Ready? Go to the next slide. Okay. So this is how we go. Divakar, this is your number, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is Divakar's number. Okay, he's waiting for your SMS. Okay, Divakar, by the way, you can also go participate. Okay. Okay, so take you out the mobile phones. Okay, and then this is the format you have to. I'll flash a question here. It's essentially an ascending ordering question. So you have to send the correct order to this number. So, for example, if you see BCAD is the correct response, you put BCAD space your name so that I can call you out to the. So whoever sends the first correct response come to the hot seat. Ladies and gentlemen, right? On your mark. Wait, computer ji, 1 minute. So, you all have your mobile phones? Those who don't have mobile phones, do you want chit and a paper to come and just give it to me? You have mobile phones, right? Great, okay, fine. So, you'll have to spend some 1 rupee for sending this, okay? Hope you guys don't mind. Yeah, anyway, you'll get much more better vouchers also here, so they can compensate. Okay, so keep this number ready, Divakar's number ready, and he'll be waiting. I'll flash the first question now. Okay, who sends a correct response will come to the hot seat. Ready? Okay, computer ji. Okay, so arrange the following social sites in ascending order of its launch. The following social sites in the ascending order of its launch. Which came first, which came second, and which came. She sent it. No, that's wrong. I'm waiting for the correct response. No. BYFT, Bharat. No. No. So far, we have not got the correct response. We have not got the correct response. No.
BCDA, someone has mentioned my name here.
No, you should put your name. SMS and your name, space your name. Yeah.
No. No.
BCDA is wrong. No, wrong.
Very difficult question.
Yes, it's a tricky question. Yes, no, no. Still, you not got, guys. What's happening? Yeah, you can send multiple things. Yeah, yeah. No, no lifeline here. Want a clue? Correct. That's correct. Correct. Ganesh. Okay. BDCA is the right answer. Computer gene, answer please. So BDCA is the right answer. Okay. So it's Orkut first, Facebook second, YouTube and Twitter. Ganesh ji, IEA, hot seat mein. Please give a big hand to Ganesh. Okay. Give one mic. Just pass on that mic, please. Yeah, it was a slightly tricky one. I think people thought YouTube came. So Ganesh, all the best, Ganesh. So you know the rules, right? Okay, just come front so that people can see you on the live streaming also. Okay. So please wish Ganesh all the best for his KBC. Okay, and Ganesh, all the best. And you have 3 lifelines. One is audience poll. Second is ask a friend. Third is double dip. So you have 5 questions, and take your time and answer very carefully. Okay. See, the questions generally on. Yeah. No, asking the Guruji. Okay, sorry, Amitabh ji. Okay. Yeah, Computer ji also no. Okay, if you ask Computer ji, give the voucher, 1 voucher to Computer ji. See, generally you'll have 5 questions totally. 1 question is on social media. 1 question is on history and knowledge. Third question is basically photos of personalities and places. And rest 2 are general around management. It's very easy. I think you just need to refresh your memory, and you have 3 lifelines anyway. Okay. Okay, Computer ji, let us start. Say, hot seat 1. Question 1 for Ganesh. Ganesh, which symbol will you use to denote a specific topic while you tweet in Twitter?
D hash.
Hash symbol.
Yeah.
You're sure? Confident?
Yeah.
Lock kiya jaye.
Yes.
Computer ji, lock option D, please. D is the right answer. Please give a hand, please. So when you, I think most of you are on Twitter, right? When you put a topic, it put hash, no, hash KCC35, for example. It's a topic. Okay, you can filter on it. Okay. So Ganesh ji, आपके लिए दूसरा question, Computer ji. So who coined the term knowledge management? Who coined the term? It was formally coined by somebody. Of course, we have been doing KM for lot of years and millennia. But then, in a particular year, in a particular place, this person actually coined this term, knowledge management.
I'd like to use this double dip option.
Double dip. Okay, what is your, you can take 2 guesses. So what is your first guess?
Peter Drucker.
Okay, second guess?
The second option, Etienne Wenger.
Okay. See, you can use multiple lifelines in the same question.
Okay.
Okay. So you can think, you have used double dip now. Do you want to use any other option?
So I will know the answer of double dip now, or
Okay. Okay. So so okay, but both the answers are wrong. So
okay.
1 lifeline is out. So you have
Okay.
option C and D.
I'll go for C then.
You are going with C.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You're taking a guess.
Yes.
You know that it's not Tom Peters?
I hope so.
Okay. Computer G, lock option C, please. Option C is the right answer. So Carl Big is the expert who actually, in a Zurich conference in 1986, he actually coined this term knowledge management, and that's when it took off as a formal term. Okay, good going, Ganesh. So you have only 2 lifelines left. Okay. So Computer G, question number 3 for Ganesh. Okay. So from which Upanishad was the phrase Satyameva Jayate taken? So we all know Satyameva Jayate, which is the national emblem of India, right? So where was this phrase taken from? Which Upanishad was it taken from? You have only 2 lifelines left. Audience poll and ask a friend. Slightly tough one.
It's Taittiriya Upanishad. I'd like to try that. D.
You have 2 lifelines left, and your question number 3. Think and answer.
I'd like to ask Pillai for an.
Rashman. Okay. Okay, he is rejected your offer. You want to ask anybody else? You want to ask Viji, my wife?
Yeah. I'd like to go with A.
You want to trust her?
As
Okay, she's an IT prof only, but then Okay, computer G, option A, Lucky J. Option A is the right answer. So it in Mundaka third chapter, first section and sixth sloka it comes actually. So it says, that truth alone triumphs and not falsehood. That's where it comes from. So,
Thanks, Vijay. Yeah.
so okay, so now Ganesh has answered 3 questions, so he gets a goodie for the third answer. Okay,
Thanks.
Good
Thanks.
going Ganesh. You still have 1 lifeline left as audience poll. Computer G, question number 4 please. Okay, so identify this person.
B. E. Sridharan.
Confident?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Computer G, Lock Jay. So it is a metro man, E. Sridharan, who was behind the Delhi metro this thing. So good, the correct answer. And then Ganesh gets 1 voucher. Okay, so he gets a 100 rupee voucher from Odyssey. Okay, congrats, good going. So last question for the day for Ganesh. So if you get this, you have grand prize also. Okay, Computer G, question number 5. Okay. So what does the Japanese term pokayoke signify?
Option A. Mistake proofing.
You've heard of this?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
When did you? Where did you read about it?
I did a course on Six Sigma. That time I got to this term.
Can you explain what pokayoke means actually to the audience? Just share your thoughts.
I did it actually an year and a half back, so I'm not very sure. But I somehow correlate between these two.
Uh-huh.
I think that means pokayoking. I identify a mistake. I do to some steps so that it doesn't happen again. Roughly, I think that is. I hope so.
So you are saying that it means mistake proofing.
Yeah.
Huh? So we lock A, option A.
Option A.
You're
yeah.
sure?
Sure.
Okay, Computer G, lock option A. Option A is the right answer. So pokayoke means actually fail proofing or fail safe. Fail safe, where prevent any mistake from happening even before the mistake happens. A lot of examples you can read online. So in your daily life also, I think many of us actually follow this. When grandmother, ties the thing that remember the knots, or even the chain, the keys which the way they store, all those things are fail safe methods of mistake. There's no error will happen. They won't lose it actually. That's the way they store. So that's the Japanese philosophy. So Ganesh, so all the 5 correct, and then you get a grand voucher also from Odyssey. So all the best, and then thanks for the game. So thanks to the audience for cheering up Ganesh. Okay, now
Thanks, audience.
yeah. So Ganesh is now out of this hot seat contestant, and we'll have the question for the next hot seat contestant. Can you all have your mobiles on your hand, please? Computer G, next slide, please. Just wait. Hold on for a minute. Okay, so next slide, Computer G. Okay, so again the same format, same number. Okay, so keep your mobiles ready and then send the response. Whichever first comes first will come to the hot seat. Okay, Computer G, question please. Arrange the following yugas in the ascending order. Very easy question. Ascending order of yuga. Which yuga are we now? Okay, good. But you don't get the hot seat for that. We've not yet got the correct answer. We've not yet received the correct answer.
3 responses.
Mhm. Mhm. Easy, guys. It's easy. Ganesh, you want to help somebody? Ramya, better luck.
What's the meaning of CSD?
Okay, I'll say.
What is the meaning of CSD?
Okay, first is B. Okay, I'll give that clue. Let me see. Okay, Chandru.
Chandru. Chandru.
Yeah.
Okay, the mobile number is 944550205.
02052. Interesting. Okay. Some response from online. But how do we conduct this online? Okay, you can conduct through phone. Yeah. Correct. Not picking the phone.
Leo. Hello. Are you interested to participate in online? Yeah, he's willing to participate.
Okay, where is he sitting?
Where are you from? Okay, he's
Oh, great. Okay. So is he able to see the questions through the live streaming?
So you are able to see the questions from live streaming? Yeah, he's able.
Fantastic. Okay.
So please ensure that you are not.
No, he'll not have time for. Even if he does, he won't get the answer. Yeah. So,
I'm putting in speaker.
hi Chandru. Great to have you as a virtual hot seat contestant. It's very interesting now. This game is getting interesting. Please, audience, again, give a big hand to Chandru from DLF. Okay. So, Chandru, okay, are you ready?
Hello.
You have charge in that. Maybe you can repeat, Divakar. I think.
Yeah, Chandru, I will be voice over for you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Computer G, go to the next slide, please. So the correct answer is BDCA, which is Satyuga, Treta, Dwapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga. So Dwapara Yuga is where like Krishna's this thing started, and then like it went into Kali Yuga. So, okay. Computer G, we'll start the game for Chandru, who is online, who is a contestant here. Okay. First question on screen for Chandru. Okay. Here we go. Okay, Chandru, which among the following is not a question answer forum? So these are all different social sites we have on the internet. So which is not a question answer forum? Quora, Stack Exchange, Delicious, and Yahoo Answers. A, B, C, or D. And you have 3 lifelines. Which is not a question answer forum. I think most of you would have seen Yahoo Answers. I think it's very popular. Yeah, that's.
Chandru, are we getting a response? Okay. Which among the following is not a question and answer forum? Options you have is Quora, Stack Exchange, Delicious, and Yahoo Answers. So choose the one which is not a question and answer forum. B, Stack Exchange.
He has 3 lifelines.
So you have 3 lifelines. So
Audience poll, double dip, and ask a friend. So you can use the audience here, and we can tell the if he wants to.
you use double dip.
He wants to use double dip.
Yeah.
So ask him to take 2 guesses, 2 options.
So 2 options, please choose. B, Stack Exchange, and Delicious.
And Delicious, B and C.
Yeah.
Huh? So Computer G, can you have the answers, please? Option C is correct. So Chandru, so you're through to the first question. So Delicious is what? Is a social bookmarking site. rest all are actually question answer forums. I think you can explore that. And Delicious is where actually you can bookmark certain sites for others and popular get the popularities. Okay, Chandru. So we Stack Overflow renamed to Stack Exchange. They renamed it to Stack Exchange. Okay, Computer Ji. Question number 2 for Chandru. Okay, Chandru, who is credited with the 3-box approach to innovation? So which among the following actually proposes 3-box theory of innovation? Is it Tom Peters, Vijay Govindarajan, Steve Jobs, or Clayton Christensen? Those in Cognizant will definitely know this.
Yeah.
Because we attend a video conferencing by Dr. Vijay.
So Chandru, did you get the answer or?
I hope he didn't listen
So
to
what
me.
is that? Huh? Sorry? Oh, okay. So he still is not able to get the question number 2 in live streaming.
Waiting for the live streaming. Okay. Good. We normally connect with experts in the other ecosystems and invite them for lectures and these things.
Yeah. So I'm reading it for the time. Who is credited with the 3-box approach to innovation? Tom Peters, Vijay Govindarajan, Steve Jobs, Clayton Christensen. It's Clayton Christensen.
He has 2 more lifelines left.
Yeah, you have 2 more lifelines. So
You can think and answer. 3-box approach to innovation. Is it Tom Peters, Clayton? No, the word innovation comes normally. Word Clayton Christensen differently will come to mind. He has audience poll. He has ask a friend.
you want to use audience poll.
Audience poll. Okay. Obviously, audience knows the answer, I think. Okay. So, okay, what's the answer? Okay. So, you can say.
The audience responded as B. Vijay Govindarajan.
So, he'll go with it.
He is going with that.
He's going with that. Okay, Computer Ji. Right. So, Vijay Govindarajan is the answer, and then he came with the 3-box approach. He says in box 1, he says organizations should manage the present. Whatever current business they are doing, manage that and do innovations in that. Second, he says selectively abandon the past. He says like you should not be satisfied with what you're doing currently. Slightly, abandon that and move to new things. Second box.
You better be that so that.
Yeah, okay. Chandru, I'm now with you, okay. And the third box, he says, create the future. Like totally, he says that no, you get on to totally new areas of experimentation. So, in fact, he compares the 3 boxes through Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva actually in his paper. And he says that manage the present is obviously which god? Vishnu, which is like sustenance. And box number 2, selectively abandon the past is Shiva because you're destroying some things. 3 is create the future. Creation is always Brahma. That's what he says actually in his paper. Okay, Computer Ji, question number 3 for Chandru. Okay, Chandru, are you able to see the screen live streaming? Okay, you can wait. So, the question is, identify the wrong pair from the below. Okay, I've given 4 pairs of people here. Okay, so first pair is Akbar and Birbal. Okay, second pair is Vikramaditya and Kalidasa. Third pair is Krishnadevaraya and Tenali Rama. And fourth is Janaka and Varahamihira. I'll read the 4 options again. You have to identify which is the wrong pair actually. First is Akbar and Birbal. Second is Vikramaditya and Kalidasa. Third is Krishnadevaraya and Tenali Rama. And fourth is Janaka and Varahamihira. Janaka and Varahamihira. Are you sure? Confident. Lock your Jai. Okay. Computer Ji, please lock option D, Janaka and Varahamihira. Option D is the right answer. Okay. So in the audience, somebody wants to add why that option is wrong. So you obviously know Akbar Birbal, right? Who was Birbal? He's a courtier in Akbar's court, and then he was the wise man, right? Same ditto here also. Krishnadevaraya and Tenali Rama. Okay, now Kalidasa and Varahamihira were actually among the 9 gems in the court of Vikramaditya Raja. So in the court of Vikramaditya, there are 9 gems. Even before Akbar had the concept, Vikramaditya had 9 gems in his thing, and Varahamihira was one of them, Kala is one of them actually. So not in Janaka's period. So that's the right answer. It's wrong pair. Okay, great Chandru. So you have answered 3 questions. So you have a gift here. So Karthik is going to take it on your behalf and then we'll courier it to you. You are in Cognizant, Chandru? Okay, Chandru. So you can message. So you are speaking to Gopal. No? Your number is Divakar. So you can message the associate ID. Will courier it to you. Yeah, thanks. Okay. Question number 4 for Chandru, Computer Ji. Okay. So there is a photo out here. Okay, you have to wait till the stream comes. Then you have to identify the person in this photo, not the female but the male. Okay, live streaming. I think it has come now. Divakar, I think here the net is faster. I think maybe. I think I should have asked the female's name, I think. Okay, fine. Let it come. He's no. Maybe take a photo on mobile and then MMS or something. So it's basically a photo question, and you have photo here and identify the person in the photo. No, audience poll already is used. Double dip also used. No, definitely you'll know this. Huh? Okay, let it come. We'll just wait. Our the question number 3 da. Okay, it has come now. You want to go with which option? Obviously he knows the answer. Option C. Computer G, please lock the answer. Mark Zuckerberg's right answer. Okay, that's Priscilla, his wife. Okay. And Priscilla Chan. Priscilla Chan. Okay. So Karthik has taken one voucher on my behalf. Okay. Good going, Chandru. Please give a big hand to Chandru. Okay. Great. Okay. Last question for you, Chandru. Okay. Question number 5 coming on screen. Okay. So which signifies Six Sigma? Okay. That is, what does Six Sigma actually mean? You have 4 options here. Option A, 6 defects per million opportunities, or 6.4 defects per million opportunities, or 3.4 defects per million, or last option 99.94 defects per million. So what does Six Sigma actually mean? I'll read you the options again. Option A, 6 defects per million, or 6.4 defects per million, or 3.4 defects per million, or last is 99.94 defects per million. 3.4 is it? How come you're a trained Six Sigma, is it? Oh, he's a green belt. Oh my God. Okay. Good that he's not here in person. I got something from him. Okay, great. So Computer G, please lock option C, 3.4 defects per million, and that is the right answer. Please give Chandru a big hand. And actually, I think people who have studied normal distribution know that, within the Six Sigma limits, 99.999966 of the observations will lie within the Six Sigma limits, and that's why it translates to 3.4 million if you add the zeros there. Okay, great, Chandru. Great having you in the show, and you got all the 5 correct, and you get one more voucher. So you get 2 vouchers and 1 goodie, which will be sent to you by courier. Thanks. Okay, Chandru, Divakar wants your Facebook ID. BV Chandru, is it? Okay, Bangalore Victory Chandru. Okay, Chandru, thanks a lot for joining for the KCC, and hope you benefit from the other KCC sessions also. Thanks a lot. Congrats, yeah, sure. Okay, great, that's really great. Surprise. Okay, guys. Now we'll move on to the next contestant. Okay, Computer G, hot seat 3. Question on screen, please. Yeah, next. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is for Chennai 8. Okay, arrange the following Chennai locations in ascending order of the pin code. Let me see. Ascending order of pin code. Those who have Ganesh, you can help others. Okay. Virupakshan. See, already has sent. Okay, guys. So, welcome Virupakshan to the hot seat. So, give a big hand to Virupakshan. So, congrats and all the best. Yeah. Okay, so you know the rules and games, right? So, that is first Paris 6 lakh 1, T Nagar 17, Adaya 20, and Velacheri 42. So, okay, good. So, you have the advantage of the geography knowledge. Okay. Okay. So, Viru, all the best, and we'll get on to the game. Computer G, first question on screen for Viru, please. Okay. So what would you associate bit Lee with? You are, where is the mic?
URL shortener.
I think Viru will say the answer before the question comes itself, I think. Okay, Computerji, please log option A, URL shortener. That's the right answer. Please give Viru a big hand. Okay. Question number 2 on screen, please. Who said quality is everyone's responsibility? Juran, Akio Morita, Crosby, or Deming? You have 3 lifelines.
Yep. I'll
So-
go for B, Akio Morita.
You have 3 lifelines, so you can think an answer because you have only 5 questions. Only one is crossed.
Okay.
You think a lot and then like you can
Audience poll?
audience poll. Okay, definitely. So audience, let me ask you. So who said this? Golden words. Quality is everyone's responsibility. So first word is most important. So how many support Juran? Option A. You can raise your hand. No one supports. Option B, Akio Morita. How many supports? Only one supports. Option C, Philip Crosby. Okay. Option D. Hey guys, you should raise for at least one. So option D, Deming. How many? Deming. 3. 4. Okay.
Yeah,
So-
I'll go with audience D.
D, option D.
Deming.
Computer G, please log option D. Option D is the right answer. So
Thank you.
thanks to the audience. Okay. So you should buy them some chocolates.
Sure.
Okay. So Deming, of course, it should come from a quality guru himself, right? In fact, I think he has made a lot of interesting things. He said 100% inspection is 100% inspection is actually he says it's counterproductive. Actually, it will create problems. Is what he says. Actually, don't go do 100% inspection of things. Okay. Question number 3 on screen for Viru, please. Which among the following is not part of Panchatantra? You all know Panchatantra, right? You read the stories of Panchatantra. It actually teaches us 5 tantras which we need for life. So here, one is not part of that. You have 2 lifelines left. It's a slightly tough one.
Knowledge, friendship.
You can take an intelligent guess, actually.
Friendship.
Five things which are required for life is what is the background. Actually, if you know, King Amarakosha had 3 sons, and then he asked his courtiers, my 3 sons are really idiots. Can somebody take them and transform them? Nobody volunteered, but that's when Vishnu Sharma told, okay, I will take the responsibility of this thing. And he said, I don't require anything in return because I will not sell my knowledge is what he told the king actually. King was ready to give the kingdom itself to him actually, but he did, I don't want anything. So he took the 3 sons, took them and told all these stories to them and transformed them into a very matured individuals. And he told that 5 things are necessary for you to become, emperor kind of person. So 5 important things.
I'll go for 50-50.
50-50. Okay, 2 guesses. What all guesses you want to take?
Creativity, friendship.
Creativity, friendship. B and D. Huh? Okay, Computer G, lock B and D, friendship and creativity. So creativity is the right answer. It is not part of the Panchatantras. Okay, so you can see what are the 5 tantras. Confidence, earnest endeavor, creation of prosperity, friendship and knowledge. Look at this. This is what he taught these 5 princes for them to get on with their life. And you can see friendship is important there. That's why a lot of stories come in friendship actually. The 5 friends and the lion and so on. Even in Kautilya's Arthashastra also, he mentions friendship as a very, very important part of your life. He says even kings have to have friendship and develop that partnership. That's what he says. So 5 things he taught these kings actually. Earnest endeavor, how to work, how to have confidence in life, create prosperity for others. Through farming or whatever activity you do. That's what he taught. Okay, great going. So 3 questions you've got right, Viru. So you have 1 goodie here.
Thank you.
Good. All the best. So you still have 1 lifeline left,
Yes.
which is the ask a friend. Okay. Computer G, question number 4. Okay. This is the easy one. Associate Hanuman with a car brand.
Maruti.
Maruti. Why Maruti?
Maruti means Hanuman.
Hanuman. Okay, good. Please lock Ajay. Right. That's the right answer. Okay, please give Viru a big hand. It's easy one actually. Normally we see Hanuman say ABT parcel service. Okay, last question for you, Viru. Okay, before that, let me not forget to give you the voucher. Okay, for
Thank
the
you.
4th question. Yeah. Okay, so expand Deming's PDCA cycle. So expand abbreviation. Is it plan, develop, correct and act, plan, design, check and act, plan, do, check and act, or plan, design, control, analyze? Famous PDCA, quality cycle. Like somewhere in engineering syllabus we read and then like forgot all those things and then like
I'll go with D, plan, design, control and analyze.
You have one lifeline left. This is the fifth question.
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to leave it.
I'll ask a friend
Yeah,
who's
surely.
from quality here.
Who wants to volunteer and help Viru?
Okay, plan, do, check, act. I'll
Sure.
go with- yeah, I
Lock
was-
AJ, you trust?
Yeah,
Okay.
no. Yes, I trust him. I was thinking of that, and then normally, we have to finally analyze, in quality.
Okay.
In CMMI and all, do everything and then analyze what happened.
Right,
Right?
right.
We will not analyze before.
So you got distracted there.
I'll go with his. Thank you so much. I'm now confident. Plan, do, check, and act.
Computer G, please lock option C is the right answer.
Thank you.
So I think you can give one voucher to the friend also.
Sure, definitely.
Thanks a lot. So well played, Viru.
Thank you so
Congrats.
much.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Thanks, guys. Thanks to audience for cheering up Viru. Okay, good. So far, so good. So we have time, right? We can play on, right? We have 2 more contestants we can have. We can speed on the game now. Okay. Next, hot seat number 4. Okay, question on screen, please. Arrange the following Rajini films in the order of its release. This dedicated for Dalaiva because he had his birthday now, so I had this question in place. Arrange it order of release. So Kiranmai, your time has not yet come. You can just put something. You can try your luck. Yeah, Leo. Leo has come. Okay, please give a big hand to Leo. Leo, IE by TA. All the best.
Thank you.
All the best.
You.
Okay. You know the rules of the game, right?
Yes.
Computer G, can we have first question for Leo on screen, please? Okay, this is the right answer. Mullu Malaram 90. Go back to the Mullu Malaram, Tillu Mullu, Annamalai and Basha. That's the right answer. I think probably you would have got confused with these two, I think. Okay. Computer G, first question for Leo on screen, please. Okay. Who's the most followed person on Twitter? Okay. At least as of today, I can say.
I believe it's B.
You have, by the way, 3 lifelines. Okay. So
Okay,
you can
then it's
think.
not B, definitely.
You can think. Okay, you guys are trying to know. Okay, let me then play a poker then. Okay, so you can think an answer. You can have 3.
Okay, I'll take audience poll.
Audience poll you want to take. Audience, okay. Yeah, Leo wants your help for this answer. Okay, how many support option A? Okay, option B, option C, and option D. I think this audience is not reliable, I think. Because, yeah.
D?
You can use multiple lifelines in the same question.
Okay. C. I'm sorry, A. Wait. Okay.
A, B, C, D. We can't lock 4. So from
C.
audience, you did not get anything. So you can use multiple lifelines if you want.
Okay.
If you want,
Double
you
dip.
want to use double dip and lock which 2 options?
C and D?
C and think an answer.
C and A.
C and A. Lock ya Ajay.
Yes.
Computer G, please lock C and A. A is the right answer. So you have the numbers there, the number of followers. In India, who is the most followed in Twitter? The person who conducts KBC, Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh.
Second is Priyanka Chopra. Third is Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah. Fifth is Amir Khan. Fifth is Salman Khan. Fourth is Amir Khan, I think. Let's check the numbers. Lady Gaga. See, if you look at the top 5, they're all like singers and fashion-oriented people. Like mostly women only on the top, actually. Britney Spears. You have Oprah Winfrey, and top 10 list. It's all. I think Obama is 6th or 7th. I think. Okay, Leo, you have actually taken both the lifelines actually. So you have passed only one question. Okay, Computer G, question number 2 on screen, please. Okay, what is the slogan of K community? It's very easy. Okay, boss. Is it
Knowledge worth sharing.
confident?
Confident.
Okay, lock B, option B. Abba, that's right. Okay, good. Okay, good boss. Otherwise, would have actually straight away sent you out. Okay, question number 3 on screen, please. Okay, identify the wrong pair from the below. Okay, so the author and the work. Chanakya Arthashastra, Tirumulur Tirumandiram, Aristotle Rhetoric, and Socrates Republic.
B. Aristotle Rhetoric.
You have only one lifeline, by the way.
Okay. D. Socrates Republic. Okay, ask your friend. Where is your wife?
No, you can't ask her twice. Anyway, she's not here. Yeah. You can't ask the same person twice. So who or you want to, you
Gopal.
can't ask me. You can eliminate certain options and then ask. You are sure of certain things, right? You definitely know certain pair are correct. Okay, which friend who wants to volunteer and help Leo? Slightly tricky one actually. You want to go with Ganesh and then volunteer, or I mean, you want to ask Ganesh, or you want to?
I'll go with Ganesh. Wait.
Who anybody else wants to volunteer and help Leo? You want help? Guessing, no guessing game here. You should be an expert. He's asking a friend and asking expert. Wrong mix, obviously, sir. So, Abdul Sir is recommending D for you. Lock ya jaye?
D.
Option D. Okay, please lock. Option D is the right answer.
You confused me.
And why it's wrong answer? Because Socrates did not write any book actually. Plato only wrote. Yeah, his Sishyas only wrote his works. Okay, so Leo, successfully you have crossed the third landmark. So congrats.
Really, thank you, everyone.
Okay, and you have sort of taken all the lifelines. Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Thank
Now
you.
you have to use intelligence now. Question number 4, Computer G. Okay, connect Goddess Saraswati. Okay, this is slightly tough. You got all the tough questions. Connect. I'll give you a clue. There is one object in her hand which you can use a clue. Which can connect to one of these things on the right. Okay, I think it's a tough one for. I think for Leo it's tough. You can take an intelligent guess. One of the things which she has in her hands can be connected to one thing on the right.
C. Explicit knowledge.
Okay, confident?
Yes.
Lock ya jaye. Computer G. That's right. So the Olachuvadi which she has on her hands, palms, that denotes explicit knowledge. Knowledge written down in a form. Right? Good going. Good the guess. Okay. Mr. Leo,
Thank you.
congrats. Please give Leo a big hand. Okay.
Thanks.
So last question on screen for Leo. Okay. Associate modern times of Charlie Chaplin with the management concept. I think you all would have seen Charlie Chaplin's movie, right? Modern Times. If you have not seen, please see in YouTube. At least some parts of it. Yeah, Modern Times. And really fantastic, demonstration of how management can screw labor. I mean, sorry for using this term. Okay. Which management concept?
B. Human resources management.
Think an answer. Of course, you don't have any lifelines. Last option for you. If you want a grand prize, think an answer. Think logically an answer. Oh, good that I misguided. No help. Because he has exhausted all the lifelines. He has relied on his own life. Yeah. We all have read in our management, lessons in our BTech or our graduation, or in our, that how. If you look at the history of management, it started off with something and then it came off. That's a period. Then 1920s, 30s, 40s. That period.
C. Operations research.
You want to go with that? Lock Ajay.
Yeah.
Sure.
I have no other goal. Like, let's go with C then.
Okay, Computer G, please lock option C. The wrong option.
Oh my God.
Okay, so see, scientific management was, the Taylor's principles, where, he look lot of time and motion study. Like, the worker should walk like this, move like this, take the screw, do it, and then move, do it. That's what because they were trying to optimize the factory workplace to do it. So they did a lot of studies. So they were proposing scientific way of doing work. That's when, he came up with this thing, saying, how they get totally tortured. After that only these movements came in, where the human resource was given more importance. Okay, well played, Mr. Leo.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Thanks to the audience for this. Okay, so we'll go to the next, last contestant. Okay, hard seat number 5. Question on screen, please. Okay, so arrange the following historical monuments in the ascending order of its establishment. When was it established? Ascending order. Which was first, which was second? Going back to history. Want a clue? First is C. Okay, Ramya. Good. Big hand to Ramya. Okay, good guys. Good. Please, mic. Computer G, next slide, please. So the correct order is Shore Temple, Tanjavur Periya Koil, Qutub Minar, and then Taj Mahal. This is the year established. Okay, Ramya, all the best. Computer G, first question, please. Okay. Which university was Facebook launched? From which university? We know who launched it, right? Zuckerberg and then his friends who were in the university.
It was,
D. Harvard. Sure. Read about it. Remember, clearly. Lock Ajay. Computer G, please lock D. Yes, D is the right answer. Okay, very good. It was launched by his roommates in Harvard, and then initially they had only people from the same university, other universities. Then he opened it to the. Yeah, exactly. So next question for Ramya, please. When was K Community started? K Community Chennai started. September 2008, December 2008, 2009 Jan, 2009 May. A. You're sure? How do you remember?
I've heard the veterans of K community talk about it and calculating 35 approximately.
Oh my God! So much power of speed of calculation. So you're sure? You don't want to take any lifeline?
No.
Okay, sure. Option A. Computer G, please lock option A. That's the right answer. September 2008 is the right answer, and we had the initial inauguration in TCS Sholinganallur facility where we had Sukumar inaugurate, and then
I joined. I was waiting to join the organization.
Oh, okay, great, great, good going, Ramya. So question number 3, please, Computer G. Okay, identify this place. Where is this place? Is it in Tiruvannamalai or Srirangam or Tanjavur or Madurai? Which place is this? Basically, this place is what is the key to this photo.
It's Tiruvannamalai, actually.
Huh? You have 3 lifelines, by the way, left.
Okay. No, I'll take. I'll ask a friend.
Ask a friend. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Who wants to volunteer and help Ramya?
Yeah.
Who's sure of this and volunteer to help Ramya?
I don't think many of them go to the temple, so.
But this one, definitely, I think people who are down south definitely will know it. Maybe the angle the photo was taken, they are not able to identify it.
I've been here. That's the irony of it. But
I definitely would have been there. You're going with B. By the way, you can't. Okay, fine. We'll make an exclusion. Since nobody is volunteering, we'll make the same expert can't be asked twice. Okay, fine. So you want to go with Kishore?
yeah, I'll go with him.
B, sure. How come you're sure? Okay. Okay. Please, Computer G, option B. Option B is the right answer, and that is Kambar Mandapam. This is where poet Kambar actually sat here, and then he wrote Kamba Ramayana and then shared with the entire audience. So on those days, you can see that temples are the place where knowledge sharing was happening. There's a mandapa because there's no other halls like this on those days. So in temples only they used to meet, and then all dance, discourses, sharing used to happen. That's what. So this is a place where Poet Kambar sat and then, shared Kambar Ramayana. So it's still there for us. No, this you can remember. Great. Okay, Ramya. So you've crossed 3. So we'll have one goodie for Ramya.
Thank you.
Great going, Ramya. All the best. So you used one lifeline, right? Question number 4 on screen, please. Identify this place.
I think, okay. This is India. No. No.
Sydney or Melbourne or Kolkata or Mumbai. Okay, I think I should have not have put this photo, is it?
It's either Sydney or Melbourne. So, no.
You want to do the audience poll? You can go. You have 2
Yeah.
lifelines, audience poll and double dip.
It,
Huh?
I didn't see that. So, okay, take Mumbai. Just guess Mumbai.
Why Mumbai? Any clues from
But
the...
Kolkata has a better bridge than this that I've seen. No. I mean, I've seen that bridge. They already have something proud to be with, and Mumbai has more water area, like connect area. So yeah, that's what I think.
Okay, you'll go with Mumbai. You're
Yeah.
sure? Confident?
Yeah.
So Computerji, she is confident. Please lock Mumbai. So Mumbai is the right answer. So there's a Bandra Worli sea link, with a very famous engineering feat which they achieved, So commissioned in 2010, partly in 2009. Okay, very good. Okay, so we'll have one goodie for Ramya. Please, Computerji, up.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Congrats. So last question for Ramya. Identify the wrong pair. Management Taylor, 5 forces Michael Port, parents Kokart Kaplan Norton, and core competence Peter Drucker. Basically, management concept and the founder. Kiran May will definitely know it.
Frederick
But you can't help.
Winston. Fred is out. Core competence. Peter Drucker.
So you have audience poll and double dip.
Okay.
But almost I think audience helped in Mumbai question, I think.
Kaplan. I think it's B, but yeah.
You can think and answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, last
Okay.
question.
Then I go for audience poll.
Audience poll. Okay, audience. Ramya wants your help. Option A, how many support? No one. Option B, 5 forces. Okay, 2 support. Option C, balance scorecard. Okay, only 1 support. Option D, core competence in Drucker. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. So you want to go with
Let D.
option D. Obviously, you want to go with the wisdom of crowds.
Yeah.
Okay. Computerji, please lock option D. Excellent. Okay, good. So
What is actually
core competence is Prahlad. Paper,
CK
1990 paper,
Prahalad,
yeah, core competence of the organization. Okay, good, very good, CK Prahalad. Okay, so Ramya, well played and congrats. Thanks to the audience. So do we have 10 minutes, Divakar? We don't have. Okay. We'll have one contestant or we'll close? Okay, we'll close. Okay, fine. Thanks a lot, audience. Thanks to the people who are on live streaming also. I think we had a great time playing this game, and thanks once again to Computerji also for helping out. Yeah, lot of G. So I'll give to Divakar for the formal order. Thanks.
Thanks everyone. Thanks for the valuable inputs, and thanks Gopal for last minute 11th hour arrangements because of speakers were not able to come for this meeting. So happy New Year to everyone. We will meet in the January. Thank you. Thanks Virpa.